Yeah, welcome back. Lumberjack Kitchen. Recipe for today, going to have some steamed fish with coconut sauce with steamed bammy also. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients I use in my steamed fish. Alright. See the coconut here. Also we have some Irish, garlic, carrot, pumpkin, pepper, onion. Also we have some okra here. We have some scallion. And we have some thyme. And see that. So the recipe for today is going to be some steamed fish with coconut sauce and steamed bammy. So this is all of my ingredients. So please watch the video to the end, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, this is the way I prepare my season them, spice them and thing. So see them cut up my season them, see coconut juice out there. You can see we have the coconut juice there, so we juice what we have steamed the fish night. So we have the steamed fish and coconut juice, which we have got some steamed bammy and okra over there. So also this is all of my ingredients and me use in my recipe. Recipe going to nice fun and delicious, you know? Lumberjack Kitchen. So please to subscribe, like and share and comment. Watch the video to the end. Like and share. Yeah, start the boil roll. Alright, to make coconut juice go and boil for about 7 minutes. Make it boil, you know? I have to boil first now. I'm going to show you spice it up. Yeah, this is the way I'm going to prepare my steamed fish with coconut sauce and steamed bammy. Yeah, you know the pot over full still, but the pot small still to go on, so I put in the bammy them now, you know? Yeah. Yeah, see recipe there. Yeah man, steamed fish ready. Steamed fish with coconut juice and bammy, you know? Yeah. Delicious.